Hello YouTube, Brother81 here again. I hope you have a very good Christmas day and a happy New Year entrance. Today I'm going to show you this computer. I bought it in the same place of the chipset Pentium tool. I show up on another video. I bought this for 25 euros. And the reason I bought it, I don't know. It was different. It's a different computer, as you can see. It's based on the 775 socket Intel. On the front you have the GoldNet branding, but it's from the chipset store. And you have a lot of covers on this tiny computer. Here when it says GoldNet, you have a memory card reader loaded, 2 optical drives base. Down there is a USB and other inputs. Here is nothing, where I can place another thing. And here's the side with the intake fan, some ventilation. On the top here is also some fans, as you can see. What made me curious about this computer is the way it is built. As you can see, it's very slim desktop tower, but as you can see, he has rubber feet. They are moving because of the weight and maybe heat. And it can also be as a desktop. As you can see, it has 4 rubber feet, so you can put it like a small form factor, like this, which is very cool to see. On the back, here have the power supply, 2 PS2s, serial VGA, 4 USB 2.0s, gigabit Ethernet, audio in, out, microphone. Here's the graphic card, VGA, video out, in, and DVI, and more expansion slots. But as you can see, it uses full-length PCI cards, which to me was I was surprised. I don't see too many of these type of cases. So now let's check the inside. It has these captive thumb screws, very awesome. It's very good case, not as flimsy as many others. I'm going to put this a little bit closer and turn more to the light. I don't know if you can see better or not. Unfortunately, I can turn on. If I can turn on the. I cannot. Dang it. But let me move a little bit closer to the light. I should have done this video sooner. I'm going to put this like this. I did some upgrades. So, what are the specs of this machine? The motherboard is an asus P5KL KPL /AM SE. The SE means it only has 2 SATA ports, and it's a good cut down. As you can see from the power supply on the top, here we have one of the hard drives. This is SATA 500 gigs, the 2 optical drives, and here's the hard drive, is the IDE. This is the main hard drive. Don't know why, because maybe it was cheaper back then of course buying an IDE hard drive, and later had a SATA hard drive. The motherboard is ASUS, uses the G31 chipset with the older suprised iOS 7. The CPU original was the Core 2 Duo E7300, clocked at 2.66 GHz, with 3 MB of level 2 cache and 1066 frontside bus. I have upgraded to a Core 2 Duo E8500, 3.16 GHz, 6 MB of level 2 cache and 1333 frontside bus. It makes a lot of difference on this machine. The graphics card is original, is a 2600 Pro with 256, I think it's the 256, no 512 megabytes, which is a little better than because of some games. There's a lot of cables coming from the power supply and for the front I/O and all other stuff. So now we're going to the part that made me feel there must be something good about this computer also. Let's turn this. On the top you have your standard DVD RW, and on the second one was I really shocked when I saw it, and I think it's still working. I think I never tried to see. And here it's a Blu-ray drive. Someone put a Blu-ray drive on this computer, maybe for naughty stuff, don't know, probably. As you can see, there's a power button, here's a reset and the HDD light. I still have to check how if this works. The RAM I did use from the other computer, the ones DDR2. They are rated 667 and DDR800, but you need a normal motherboard to set to 800 MHz, which in this one obviously you can. So now from the original 4 gigabytes 667 you have now 4 DDR800, and the latency it's a bit lower on the start of the it's 566, I think. I'm going to check it. And it comes with Windows Vista on Premium, still stock. So I'm going to power it up so you can guys see the rest. I think I forgot to show you. Here's the side cover. It has two captive thumb screws that you unscrew and can remove the side panel. Okay, everything connected. Let's power it up. I was really very surprised to come with a Blu-ray drive, and I'm going to check it if to play videos, because the graphics card has no HDMI connector. The operating systems is stock is the Windows Vista Service Pack 2. I think it was the best service pack Microsoft did for the Windows Vista. It had some good stuff from the Windows 7. Okay, that I wasn't. Yeah, I wasn't in my main computer, of course. Completely forgot this. I did try some others LCDs, but most of them have a very blurry way to see the system, very blurry. Yeah, I think I need to restart it. I need to restart it, yes. What else is more about this? I updated to the listed BIOS. I did try a Core 2 Quad. a Q9400, but it overheated a lot. Even with the tall stock heatsink, I think the space isn't that great. And since Windows Vista, it's still better to use a fast dual core chip than a quad core. The quad core went to the HP I found on the trash, which I need now to find a new RAM to use it. And I hope I make another videos of the other computers I have here. My opinion about Windows Vista, it's not that bad. If you maybe use a very cheap RAM or some faulty components, maybe that might be the issue. What properties? Vista Premium. Dock to 8500, 4GB of RAM, 64-bit version. For the Duo, Energy 2600 Pro. I also tried to upgrade the graphics card to 3650, but unfortunately it didn't go well. It didn't like the graphics card. Let's go to CPU-Z. Yeah, just a little bit. Still blurry, right? Yeah. So CPU-Z. So the main operating system is in the ID, so it's a little bit slower. There's still the name of the person who owned this. The 320GB ID is here, and the CE, which is the 500 gigs HDD, it's so here, not this stuff. That's a lot of stuff, of course. Overall, Windows Vista now with this 8500 runs smoother. Install Mozilla Firefox, the latest version that supports. Let's see the GPU. It's a fine GPU for the system that is. Could be a lot better. As you can see, it has a 600 MHz speed on the GPU, 800 MHz total on the RAM. I did put new firmware placed. So now let's first start with borderlines. The first borderlines. And did a quite jump in the performance. You can skip it. Nice. Sorry. NVIDIA. I originally thought that this one had a built-in speaker, but it doesn't. I did see a few of these cases that have a built-in speaker. which is connected to the front of the I/O. Use borderlines. Let's go to options. As you can see, I'm running 800 by 600. I think it's the best resolution. Asymptotically filtering is off. Dynamic shadows are going to disabled. It's better. Off. Bullet decay is on. Foliage high quality. Texture high quality. Gameplay in detail high quality. Ambient occlusion. Bloom off. Depth of field off. Flares out. Depth of field. Yeah. Flares out. It's for the sun. Let's see how it goes. Game options on, image is off, blow request accept. This is not my gameplay, it's from the person that play. It runs very well, very smooth. I should install fraps. Completely forgot about fraps. A little bit of stuttering there. It runs well. It's the only game was all already pre-installed on the system. The things I'm going to maybe is to clone the hard drive and place use a SATA hard drive or a SSD. It plays okay. Let's see if I can put a better DirectX 10 GPU like a 4650, 4550, so a little better. But with this good, with coming from a core to the E7000 to the 8000, it's a big difference. Double the cache, better FSB, frontside bus. Playing on the soft surface is really bad. The AI on this enemies is very good. And it goes boom. Let's exit. So I like this computer, especially with the Blu-ray drive. Now let's try it. Oh no, I need to install some software. Blu-ray. Star Wars. What is going to launch? Yeah, I need to install some software. I'm going to pause the video and install the software. Okay, I'm back. I just installed Keylight Mega Contact Pack. Let's see if you can play the Blu-ray. No? This is weird. Well, apparently I have to move this Blu-ray drive out of this computer to another one. Yeah, not working. Yeah, it's a shame. Or maybe I have to have HDMI graphics card, or maybe it's Windows Vista. I don't know, really. It's a fun little computer, so another upgrade is like a better GPU and play another games. I hope you enjoy it. See you guys later.